Enabling two-factor authentication on your Shopify account adds an extra layer of security to protect your store. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin by entering your credentials at the Shopify login page. Make sure you are using a secure network. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your account name or profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the Security section within your account settings. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication and click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for two-factor authentication. Options typically include using an authentication app like Google Authenticator or receiving SMS codes. Choose the method that works best for you. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you chose an authentication app, scan the QR code provided and enter the verification code generated by the app. If you opted for SMS, enter the code sent to your phone. Confirm the setup to activate two-factor authentication. Now your Shopify account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Make sure to keep your authentication method accessible to avoid any login issues in the future.